Starting the new week and the daily market summary for Monday, I'm joined now by Ethan Robson of agmarket.net. Ethan, how did we trade in the grains here to start the week?
Yeah, overall, some good price action to start the week. September corn up about 9 cents. D's corn, the same, got above 470, hit 472 and a half settlement. New crop soybeans up about 4 and 3/4, 11.92 and a quarter settlement there. Saw USDA flash sale today for U.S. soybeans. China purchasing some more soybeans. Good to see. Wheat market also able to turn around from early session lows. Wheat market up about 12 cents as well. 651 into Chicago.
What does the relationship look like for the grains with the oil price and the movement we've seen there today?
Yeah, kind of a different type of trade today. We had crude oil down about 5.5% as of recording right now, but yet grains finished up higher, right? And so we used to see corn and crude oil kind of correlate back and forth in between those two markets, right? It felt like funds wanted corn to follow along. Seeing a little bit of divergence today as well with the bean oil. Seeing soybean oil used to correlate with crude oil as well, but soybean oil had a great day today as well, up about 2.25%. So something to keep an eye on there is the ratios, those spread trades that hedge funds like to do, seeing a little bit of unwinding today.
And then, Ethan, as it relates to the forecast, how was that factoring into the ag marketplace right now?
Yeah, most of the Midwest was able to get some sort of rain over the past weekend. Some got more than what they were expecting, and some didn't. Kind of a mixed bag there. But that next 7 to 10 days forecast showing some more rainfall for most of the U.S. And so we were a little bit weaker today, I think, based on that, right? So we saw some of the weather forecasts coming into the trade, a little bit of a weaker tone, but something was able to turn around, and some managed money hedge fund speculators going to be paying close attention to in the month of August.
Over on the other side of the trade, how did we trade with the livestock today?
Yeah, weaker trade there in the live and feeder cattle. That live cattle October down about 52 and a half cents, 226.72 and a half. Feeder cattle down as well, down about $1 in the front month. September down more in the deferred. So that September contract able to get above that 200-day moving average, was not able to close it. We actually closed right below the 50-day, I believe. And so going to be important to see how managed money, how the trade decides to play it tomorrow. Looking to get a close above that 200-day would definitely give some momentums back to the bulls.
On the hog side, did we hang in there today, or what did we see out of the trade there?
Yeah, mixed bag. Down in the front months, a little bit stronger in the deferreds there. Trying to find some sort of footing right after last week's session, edging lower. And so management just trying to figure out the best way to play it. Obviously, the bulls side for the lean hogs would love to find some sort of footing there. Gonna have to pay close attention over the next couple of days to see.
Ethan, on the cattle side, have you looked into it? Have we made up that ground that we lost based on the initial reaction to the, I guess you would call it, shock news of the border being reopened, the southern border with Mexico? Have we made up that price ground yet in terms of going back to the positive direction?
We're going back positive directions, yeah, as of right now. So seeing some good technical support, it looks like, seeing a couple of good positive days. Obviously today we did not finish positive in the green for the live and feeder cattle market, but you pull up the chart, seeing a good bottom so far, but obviously going to be important to maintain that trend going forward for the rest of the week. Try to find some green on the cattle side to get some sort of momentum continued back up to the upside.
What's the best way for our viewers to get in touch for more marketing information?
Yeah, visit us online at agmarket.net. Give us a call here in Bloomington Normal, 1-800-779-1515.
He's Ethan Robson with agmarket.net, joining today for the daily market summary. Ethan, thanks for the time. Appreciate it, and have a great day.
You as well. Thank you.